Okay, continuing with question number G. They've given us a principal rupees 8,000. The rate of interest is 4% per annum. And now when you look at the time, it is in terms of months here, right? So all the previous question we did were in terms of years, right? 1 year, 2 year, 4.5 year, 3.5 year, like that. Okay, so one thing, just understand that this month has to be converted in terms of year before we solve. Okay, so I done a given principal rate of interest. So how do we convert this months in terms of year, right? So you'll know that what there are 12 months in a year. Clear? So simply have to divide it by 12, right? 9 months divided by 12, then it'll become a year. Okay, then you can divide further here. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, right? So we're gonna have time to be equal to 3 by 4 for year. Clear? Once we're done with it, we just have to put it directly in the interest formula. Simple interest formula, PRT by 100. Principal given 8,000, rate of interest is 4%. 4% means 4 by 100, right? So 4 by 100, and now the year we got it to be 3 by 4. You can already see I've written it there, 3 by 4 here, right? Alright, let's try division. Then 0 0 0 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, and we're left with 80 into 3. So if you multiply, we're going to get the interest, or a simple interest, to be equal to rupees 240. So you find amount, principal plus interest, right? Principal already given 8,000. The simple interest we just found it to be 240. So you add both of them, and that will be the amount to be given in 9 months, or 3 by 4 year. Let's do one more. Again, principal given, rate of interest is 5%. Now when you get a time, it is in terms of days. The previous question was in terms of months, right? Now they've given in terms of days. Okay, so once again we have to convert this days in terms of a year again. All right, so then I write on the principal, write on the interest also. And if I ask how many days in a year, how many days are there in a year, it is 365, right? Which means 365 days equals 1 year, right? So simple again, divided by 365, then it will become a year. Okay, 219 divided by 365. Once we're done with that, write down first I have to find the simple interest, right? So PRT by 100. Principal is how much? 15,000. Rate is 5%. 5% means 5 by 100. You can already see time is 219 by 365, right? All right, now let's start division. 0 0 0 0. Then I can divide 5 ones are 5, 5 7s are 35, 35, then 1 and 9, 5 3s are 15. Okay, then 73 into 3 will give me 219. Then I'll be left with 150 into 3. If you multiply, we will get the interest, or the simple interest, to be equal to rupees 450. How do you find the amount? Principal plus interest, right? Principal is 15,000. Interest, we just got it now, 450. So you add, and we're going to get how much? Rupees 15,450. That means at the end of 219 days, how much are we paying? 15,450. Okay.